When you walk around our school, it feels bilingual. For example, you'll see Welsh in the corridors, on the displays and even outside. Diolch i edrych o gwmpas yr ysgol. Our whole school has turned into a truly bilingual place.
This is our amazing Gylfach Gamau. This really helps us siarad Cymraeg tu allan y dosbarth. Last year we created and set up a Gylfach Gamau. This is 3 different games. Taro Target, also known as Splat, Croeso Cylch, which is noughts and crosses, a question and cover, which is quick questions. This is available for everyone at any time for them to practice their Welsh outside the classroom. The vision is that everyone is speaking Welsh outside on the yard. To help us with this, we decided to bring in a really exciting project. Our project was y Gair Sgiliau. Felly, beth ydy Gair Sgiliau? Well, the Gair Sgiliau is Skill Gardens. This is where we bring Welsh into PA. Pwy sy'n rhedeg y Gair Sgiliau? Our super crew run our Gair Sgiliau. But our super crew isn't just from the top end of the school. It's from the foundation phase to the key stage 2. Pryd mae Gair Sgiliau? We run our Gair Sgiliau ar dydd Mawrth a dydd Iau. Dydd Mawrth for the juniors a dydd Iau for the infants. Beth sy'n digwydd yn y Gair Sgiliau? In our Gair Sgiliau sessions outside, we play a variety of games to keep the children engaged. This develops their Welsh skills and their physical skills. It also encourages them to use Welsh outside the classroom. Mae Gair Sgiliau yn Sant Ffransis yn boblogaidd iawn. Dyma un fideos o Super Crew Cymraeg.
Croeso i Gair Sgiliau. Nature a smart cool. Dyfnwch bag bach cwch ein fel. Pwy ydy
Our Gair Sgiliau is extra provision for using Welsh outside the classroom.
Daggett Dig says that you need an active Crew Cymraeg. Well, we certainly are an active and enthusiastic Crew Cymraeg. We thoroughly enjoy having a voice in school and are proud to be able to make a difference. We know all 10 targets inside out. We create a yearly action plan for our big projects, but we're also on hand for other things too. I think being a member of the Crew Cymraeg is one of the best roles in the school because there's so many fun things we get to do, from organising fun events like Cymraeg Day to running weekly games in the Gair Sgiliau.
Wyt ti eisiau losin?
O, ydw, dwi'n dwlu ar losin.
Wyt ti eisiau 1 neu 2?
2, of course. This got me thinking, would I rather speak un iaith or 2 iaith? Obviously I want to speak 2 iaith. That's what we're teaching our pupils at Ysgol Sant Ffransis. Learning another language is an extra skill. By creating fun and real-life experiences for people to use Welsh, being bilingual can become a natural part of the school life. Un cam ar y tro, one step at a time. Years ago, making sure that the fruit shop was one in Welsh was a big task. Also, when we started the Siartu Iau, getting the Cyngor Cymraeg to lead the weekly Welsh Assembly was a big task. Now, they're things that just run themselves, dim problem, un cam ar y tro.
Don't think about it, just go for it. Don't matter how much Welsh or how brilliant your Welsh is, just as long as you're using some and practicing some, soon Welsh will become something natural to your school. Elf and Danny.